Hello everyone, welcome to another day in the life of window cleaner. I've got 19 cleans today and we're in a place very close to my house, so Throckenholt and Gedney Hill day. There's me, Sophie and Matthew, and will we do it? Who knows? But today's going to be a bit different to normal because I've gone and pulled the muscles in me back on Friday. I worked Saturday and I felt bad then. I was hoping Sunday would be alright, but I'm obviously a lot older than what I think I am. And come Monday, no. Couldn't work yesterday because of the weather, so we're working today, but I'm going to be in the van walking around and I'm doing my survey and profile of my customers to see where I am going wrong with underpriced work to get in line with the potential price increases. Price increase is going to happen April next year, but I'm going to work out everything now, hopefully send out a bit of warning beforehand in January before the price increase happens in April. That's the plan anyway. So we'll see how Matthew and Sophie get on without me on the tools, and I'm going to do some working out really, so it's going to be a funny one today. Right, just to give you an update, once this clean's finished, we've got 12 cleans for the day finished and it's now 20 minutes past 10, so it's kind of going all right, although them two are feeling we're going slower than normal, but there's two of us working rather than three, I suppose. But hopefully we'll get it all done before it's dark. We've got a few in this road to do, well, a few, we've got another 3 after this, and some of them are what we would call a big size anyway, so get them out of the way, it's a big chunk. And then we're off to other areas within this village, and some of them are kind of biggish houses, what we'd class as, so I'm sure we'll start ticking it off. But yeah, it's been good so far. While I've been working, I've been going around doing my surveying and re-evaluating. It's given me time to think a bit clearer rather than I'm trying to do it all and work and monitor how the day's going to see whether we're going to make it or not. And the good thing is I'm not pumping air in that tyre now, I've got that fixed. There's the wheels leaking through the old weld, so the steel wheel was too old. One more to change and that's all 4 new ones on my van. Anyway, see how the rest of the day goes. Just an update, it's now lunchtime, so we're halfway through the day and we're halfway through the work in terms of money value. So we've got 9 jobs left, 11 jobs done. So I'm now going to go home, eat my packed lunch, got to refill up the tank, and I'm going to use the toilet and then get straight out there because it's going to get dark around 4. So stay with us to see will we do it. I don't know. I hope so. Right, Matthew and Sophie are close to the end of this clean, so once this is finished we've got 7 left to do. It's really hard sorting out your prices, I can tell you that. I've gone around doing a survey, I'm shocked at how low and underpriced some of the ones that I know are underpriced actually are, and there's some houses that pretty much bang on for what we're currently charging. So I've got to try and basically get people up to the prices they're supposed to be paying before I then add on my increase that I'm going to do for my price rise, and it's do I bite the bullet and just say draw a line and that's it? Or do we say that's too much to bump it up by, so we'll reduce it a little bit maybe and catch them up the following year? I have no idea what to do. Every time I think about it, what you decide in your head keeps changing. It's so up and down, isn't it? Sorting out your prices. So my top tip, if you can, sort your pricing out from day one. It'll save you a headache later, trust me. But yeah, we're going for it anyway. I'm recording it all and we're going to keep chatting about it, and hopefully come January I've sorted this mess out and know what I'm going to do. But the other thing is, it's all right saying you should be charging this and that, but if the people in your area are not prepared to pay them prices, then you're going to have to lower them anyway, aren't you? So you don't want to be, you've got to take all that into account as well. There's only one way of finding out, I suppose. Hi everyone, you see I'm under torchlight again. It's gone 13 minutes past 4 in the afternoon. It's just turned pitch black and we've just finished the last house. We did come to this one earlier, but they weren't in, so we've come back on the way home, and I just decided we could probably just about do it before it gets pitch black or too dark to clean it. So it's come a plan. That's all our clean's done for the day. So we've managed that just in the nick of time, and we've been home for lunch as well. So yeah, we got there in the end, and I'm still thinking a lot about putting my prices up and how much. I've got a lot of researching to do, but I'm basically doing my survey and I'm bringing those up to from underpriced to where they should be anyway, prior to what we're doing for a price increase, and just projecting how it's going to affect us going forward. Anyway, thanks for watching. Keep looking out for more videos. Appreciate all the likes and subscribes, so thank you very much. Stay safe out there. See you later.